This video is for multi-step equations. An example of a multi-step equation is the green one there. 2x plus 4x equals 8 minus x. So, the multi-step equation we're actually going to look at is a little more complicated than the example. And this one is 4 minus the quantity 2x plus 3 equals 3x plus 1. You notice here that there's a note. That note says always undo grouping symbols. When we look at the minus 2x plus 3, that means that we actually are multiplying the 2x plus 3 by negative 1. So our first step then is to do that multiplication. That also makes the parentheses disappear. So we have 4 minus 2x plus 3 equals 3x plus 1. We multiply negative 1 times 2x for negative 2x, negative 1 times 3 for negative 3. We bring down the 4, we bring down the equals, and we bring down the 3x plus 1. The next step is to subtract the 4 from both sides. The 4 minus 4 is 0. We do check before we cross it out. We bring down the negative 2x, we bring down the negative 3, and that equals 3x minus 3. Our next step is to move the negative 3 to the other side of the equation by undoing subtraction using addition. We add 3 to both sides of the equation. We bring down the negative 2x. We check. Negative 3 plus 3 is 0, so we can cross it out. We bring down the equals. We bring down the 3x. And when we do the arithmetic, negative 3 plus 3 is 0. This side of the equation, we want to write 0. Now we need all of the x's on the left-hand side of the equation. So we have 3 x's on the right. In order to move them to the left, we notice that on the right they are positive. And to undo positive, we use negative. So we're going to subtract 3x from both sides of the equation. On the left-hand side, if I have a negative 2x's and I subtract 3x's, then I have negative 5x's. And on the right-hand side, 3x minus 3x is 0, so we can cross that out. And 0 plus 0 is 0. So we have negative 5x equals 0. For the last step, we do have to have the x by itself. Negative 5x actually means negative 5 is being multiplied to x. And in order to undo multiplication, we use division. We divide both sides of the equation by negative 5. Negative 5 divided by negative 5 is 1, so we now have 1x, or just x, on the left, and 0 divided by negative 5, or 0 divided by any number, is 0. So to finish our equation, we have x equals 0. You try. So you're given an equation, hit pause, practice the equation. When you finish this equation, hit play again, and you try the next equation. When you have both of your you try equations done, go ahead and bring those answers and let Mrs. Kehrli check them for you.